In this video, I will show you how to fully customize Shopify website. Let's get started. So once you have signed up to your Shopify, you should be able to see this particular themes that you have right here. So on default, the theme is done. So if you want to actually change it, click on this add theme, click on this visit theme store. Then once you have done that, it will actually lead you to the theme store of Shopify, wherein you can actually get some particular themes in hand. Some themes are actually paid, while some are free. So you can choose which themes actually resonates with you. And then once you have done that, just head over and click on that particular theme. And then in here, you should be able to see this try theme. So click on this try theme right here. Once you have done that, it will add this particular theme to your actual Shopify store. So once it's done loading, you should be able to see it right here on your new Shopify. But before you actually done that and see what it's been, you should be able to see this right here, which is the process of adding it. So once it's been added, you can actually click on this publish button. So let's just wait a little bit and then click on this publish button right here to change our dawn theme to our craft theme. Click on this publish button. And then that's actually the easiest way to actually change things up on your store using this particular theme. Next thing you need to do is you can actually customize it. Click on this customize option, and then it will open right here the Shopify editor. On your Shopify editor, there's a lot of things that you can do. Like for example, you can change in here the template, which can be the rich text, collage, footers, and headers that you can see right here. So I have in here particular things like headers. So I can have in here my announcement bar, and I can show icons on desktop, auto-rotate announcement, show separator line as well, and change as well the current scheme. So for example, this one, we can change it, and as you can see, it's been changed like that. So you can just choose which one resonates with you. So let's head back, and you can also choose in here your actual text for this one. So you can see in here the text for welcome, or click on that welcome to our store, and then you can see in here the text. So let's just put in here welcome, and let's put in here 50% off. Then as you can see, it has also already reflected. So let's head back again, and then from in here, you can also see in here your header. So this is your header, which has your menu. So you can change the desktop logo position. It can be on top center, middle left, as well as your middle center. So it actually changed things up using this particular thing. So you can also change the desktop menu type. It can be a drop down, it can be a mega menu, it can be a drawer menu, wherein you just need to click on this one. So for me, I'll just choose in here the drop down, and I will make this a sticky header. Means that whenever I try to scroll down, the menu or the header will still head over and show itself to me. So you can also change things up through its color scheme, just like this one. So let's head back, and you can see in here the templates. So for example, you can have this rich text right here, which is this one. You can actually edit out what it will say to you. Now you can also see in here the collage, wherein you can put in here some collections that you want. So let's click on the select, and you can click on this homepage collection that you have right here in order to select it. And then other things you can do is you can also add in here a section, another. So click on this add section, and you can add more things like image with text, image banner, slideshow, collage, or anything that you want it to be. So it can also be an email sign up, or email contact, or as well as a blog post. So for example, for this one, let's add in here a blog post. And whenever you blog, they will actually put in here, or they will place themselves right here. So as of right now, I don't have any blogs yet. So I only have this placeholder images and text. So you can also change the title. It can be a blog for you or a blog post, just like this one. And it will change its actual header right here. You can also select a blog that you want to actually support it, as well as the heading size, number of columns, as well as color scheme. So there's a lot of things also on the footer. You can see in here the email sign up as well as the footer itself. On the footer, we have in here the subscribe to our emails, which is our actual email sign up. So you can change what it will look like. You can enable follow and shop. You can show social media icons, as well as the country region selector, policy links, and all of these things right here. Now, in here, you can also see this theme settings wherein you can upload your logo, change your colors, typography, wherein you can see your fonts, font scale, and all of that, as well as a layout for your actual theme, buttons, animations, product cards, and all of these things that you have right here. So there's a lot of settings that can be done through this one. And on the third icon right here, you can see all the app embeds, wherein you can see all the apps that you have installed in your actual Shopify store. You can enable or disable them from in here. Once you're done with everything or satisfied with everything, just click on the save icon right here in order to save your progress. And then if you want to preview it, you can also see the preview of it once you head over to your actual store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more email. Thanks.